Hey then folks, it's bank holiday weekend and that can mean only one thing, it is car wash time. So as I said in the last video, MOT sorted, it's ready to be driven on the road, I'm ready to enjoy it. So that's what I'm going to do this weekend. I've managed to get home early from the unit today, a good old clean, and tomorrow it's going to be out on the road, having fun, roof down, enjoying it like it should be done. So yeah, let's give it a wash and then go and enjoy it. Massive apologies to any detailers or, avid car cleaners out there. That was probably atrocious. I did use the 2-bucket method. I did use a nice big absorbent towel and I didn't scrub at it. I just let it, drape over and do the drying. So yeah, hopefully I've not done too bad. You can never tell in a video, but I promise you, in the flesh, this actually looks really nice at the minute. So I'll leave it like that for tonight and then, yeah, out tomorrow to enjoy what should hopefully be a nice sunny bank holiday Sunday. So yeah, we're out for a nice bank holiday Sunday. Monday's looking really rainy, so we thought we'd take advantage of today to get out in the TT with the roof down. We've already had a few compliments on the car, which is always nice. And we're just enjoying some nice country roads, sticking into sport mode and enjoying listening to that V6 roar. Definitely enjoying that V6 roar. Yeah. Definitely the right decision. The right car for the roads. Oh, 100%. Yes, it is not as powerful as the 225s that I'm used to driving. Well, I don't care, because the 225 does not sound like this when you go into perfect. Alright, so we're going to go to the pub and have some lunch, I think. In audio. Maybe not quite as sunny as we'd like, considering we've got to sit outside. But yeah, it's going to be nice to just have someone serve us. I've not been out for a served meal for, I think our last one was Valentine's Day last year. So yeah. It's been a while. This is going to be nice. Enjoyed this. Tried to include nice little bits of different footage to what I'm used to recording, having a little bit of play around. Hopefully what you gather from this though is that the V6 Roadster TT is an amazing little car and it is such great fun for whipping around on a bank holiday weekend, just enjoying driving. So yeah, until next time, cheers guys.